Good day. I am Dr. Wilfredo S. Tagle, urologist, and welcome to Medical Park Tips, a series of tips and tricks to help you start your medical practice. Today's episode will be about the economics of retirement. There's a saying that if you are not earning while sleeping, you are not prepared for retirement. Wala ka pang karapatan mag-retire. So, as I've said, there are a lot of factors in retirement, but the most important of all is the financial aspect. Okay, because here everything will evolve around it. There is a rule of thumb in retirement or in savings, which is the 8-4-3 rule. A lot of financial advisors are giving this economics of retirement the 8-4-3 rules. As early as possible, you have to understand them and start these 8-4-3 rules in your savings practice. For 8, this is the start of your investment. You try to save everything that you're earning and invest it. The first 8 years will be very slow because you will be earning the bank rate, which is very low. Then, if you have more investments like the bonds, it's very low. Then, after the 8 years of savings, you will enter the 4 years. The 4 years is the time wherein your investment will double its worth. Medyo mataas na po ang interest dito. Okay. Medyo mahina pa rin, but a lot more better than the first 8 years. And the third phase is the 3 years. Here, if you have doubled your previous investment, on the last 3 years, your investment will go exponentially. Kaya nga may kasabihan tayo, ang pinakamahirap lang is the first million. After the first million, it would be easier to go through. Okay? So, start early and invest early. Do your savings. For financial planning, you have to identify the lifestyle or the amount of expenses you want to have upon your retirement or the years that you are retired. It would be better if you identify and project the same expenses when you retire, either more or less. But it would be better if it is the same or more. You have to invest your savings through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or other investment that you know of. Don't invest in things that you don't know or you are not familiar with. That would be a disaster. Then, for financial planning, for example, you are currently spending 100,000. Para madaling i-compute, you are spending 100,000 a month. for your monthly expenses. And you want to maintain your financial status, your monthly expenses. So, you need to have at least 25 million in investments, not in savings, because in savings, you are just earning 3 or less percent in savings deposit. You have to invest it. So at least you have 5% interest per annum. And your assets earnings will be greater for annual maintenance of your financial status. Now, if you want to double, that's simple. You just double everything. Parang 1 plus 1 lang yon. Okay? So your aim after retirement is to work because you want to, because you have money, but not because you want to work because you have to, because you don't have money for your maintenance, lalo na for medical maintenance. Remember, if you are retired, you have a medical maintenance, you have a daily subsistence, you have your rentals, you have your maintenance for your house, and everything around you. Okay? So, that's it for today's episode. Like, follow, and subscribe to our Facebook page and YouTube page to catch the latest episode of Medical Prac Tips every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Please share this episode of Medical Prac Tips so we can help more young aspiring doctors build their medical practice and better serve their patients. So, as I said, start saving and investing early in your medical practice and in your life. That's it. See you. Bye-bye.